I have take a report on profit, sale, and quantity different way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I
Mm-hmm.
put the images, the three
Okay.
images put I screen.
Mm-hmm.
Just it has a buttons.
Okay, tag as a button. Okay.
Yeah. Now I click the horse button.
Mm-hmm.
Let it be show the total sales related
Oh,
report.
super. Okay.
Then I again go for our page. I will to click on cat, click control and it will be show the profit related report only. Then
Okay,
I will
super.
be panda. I will be on other image is panda. Then I click
Mm-hmm.
panda. It will be related to quantity, region wise quantity, total quantity, category wise, like that. I just I my what I am doing. Just I see that it is perfect or not, but I do that only.
No, no problem, no problem. It's okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and now I
So,
can do another work. Like
mm-hmm.
this is the table. When I click
Mm-hmm.
region, it will be visible only region.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So go back. When
Why
I
go
click
back?
category, these option I want to asking that. So it is a I will be put on the screen. After I click the category, it will be show only category. So I want to know every time you go back button here when we see the main screen. So any customization there to static page here, and when we click to move to another page, navigation. We click as a navigation. It is
Yes, actually, you know what? You don't need to go use go back button. Okay, you just create a one button
okay.
called clear or all or clear all or whatever may be. Okay, so put the
Okay.
same method. Like okay, you take a screenshot of all the with the profit category and region, and put the
Okay.
actions in the all button. That's it.
Okay. Okay. All buttons once in page. Then we will be different way. We can do right.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
right.
One more question, Morgan. And in general, my yesterday my friend asked me one question. It is the loan. He take a loan from HDFC Bank.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just assume
Mm-hmm.
he take a loan on January 2020.
Mm-hmm.
Loan is running right now. It will be up to in on 24th January. What may be. So
Mm-hmm.
now he want to close the his loan right now.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So he asked me how much amount will be more to save if I pre-close the amount. So
Mm-hmm.
what may be? Just ask me general way. So
Mm-hmm.
I asked to them send your EMI table and just I do in Power BI. It is possible or not possible. I see that.
Mm-hmm.
Just I
Mm-hmm.
take a table from him. Just try
Mm-hmm.
it. So I will be
Okay.
show that.
Go to the table view. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, what happened is that take a loan
Mm-hmm.
on 5th January. It's 5th January, but it is generated on 5th February.
Mm-hmm.
15th
Mm-hmm.
February, loan will be started, first EMI.
Okay. Okay.
So up to last month, maybe October 15th is last EMI. Because after this, we want to close remaining amount at a single payment. So it is a pre-close that. So it will be remaining up to 15th, 2014, fifth month. So now he want to ask me what is the principal amount which we have paid already.
Okay.
So I will be calculated up to I take a one column. Uh, I write a what DAX code for these column. Sum of depend on date, the calculated date. I put the date up to here. It's okay. But now I have got a problem. What's the problem? The total amount that he paid already up to 15th October. So how we calculated total amount? When I move to measure, I pick the measure. Some loan will be calculated here, but it not be seen in table.
I think okay. So you need to calculate, okay, right?
Yeah,
From the starting date to current date, right?
right,
Right, exactly, right.
right.
Okay, when is the loan started? The current year or the last year?
2020, last 2 years back, 2020.
2020. Okay.
Yes. You see my screen right now?
Yes, I can see your screen. Okay.
15/20, 2020.
Uh-huh.
Start the first EMI.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
So now he close on 15th last EMI he paid 15th October 2022.
Mm-hmm. So he want to
So we want to
show
calculate the
total amount.
principal amount of up to end of last EMI, and also we
Mm-hmm.
calculated remaining amount. How much
Mm-hmm.
principal to remaining amount?
Mm-hmm.
So we calculated that it will possible in Power BI or not. I just asking that.
Yeah, it's possible. So
And I take a
can
general
you,
example. He
okay,
asked
okay.
me, just I take example.
Yeah, can you just share your this data to me, because here you cannot control the screen.
Okay. I will be send a document to
Okay.
you. Okay, mail
Yeah,
through
yeah,
mail.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Shall we start your today class session?
Yes. Okay. So today we are going to see about, okay. So what is
Record,
conditional?
Murugan, 1 minute, 1 minute. Record will be
Recorded on
started.
order. Yeah,
Yeah,
started.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So today we are going to see about, okay, conditional formatting. Okay,
Okay.
conditional formatting or threshold, applying threshold into the charts. Okay, so what is conditional formatting? For example, okay, so let me create on charts. Okay, category, subcategory, then sales, profit. Okay, see here. So customer wants to easily identify who had done the negative profit. How we can check it?
Okay.
Is it
Go
easy?
to format. Go to format.
No, by seeing the table chart, we are able to see who are all the categories that have done negative sales.
We will be here. Scroll down. Ascending order, descending order. It will be applicable here. In here, it will be
Yeah,
applicable.
yeah, it will be applicable. But we are using two measures, right? You
Yeah,
can either sort only based on one measure, not two measures.
yeah. I
So
either
if
sale,
you
other profit.
profit, but
Yeah,
within that you need to identify who has done the negative sales and who has done the from 0 to 20,000, or you need to find out which are the subcategories who has done more than 20,000. How we can easily identify?
so we must be conditional. Something conditional. We then
Yeah, we
apply.
need to, yes, we need to apply threshold. For example, see here in this chart, just check whether which subcategory has a negative sales,
Yeah,
negative profit.
yeah.
Bookcases, tables, then supplies. So we have only three, right?
Uh, okay, 3 right.
Yes, three. Okay. Let me add one more column. Okay. Matrix table.
Move to matrix.
Yeah, move to matrix.
Okay.
Um,
I think region will be move on column.
yes. Now it's clear, right? So now tell me, which are the categories and subcategories of region as the negative profit?
Sorry.
Which region or which subcategory has the negative profit?
Negative profit. You can't see here.
Yes, because see here, we need to do eyeball check, right?
Okay.
See, in central region, we have bookcases, furnishings, and tables, and we need to check one by one line, right?
Right.
So customer will feel difficult to identify which region has a negative profit, or in that region which subcategory has a negative region. So it is very very tough.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in order to solve this, the problem, okay, we need to do a conditional formatting, showing a different color based on the different value. For example,
Yeah.
I want to apply the red color in case if we have a negative profit. So customer by seeing itself, they will come to know, okay, these are all the negative regions or negative areas. So they can easily identify, right? And in some cases, if any region has done the highest sales more than 10,000 or 20,000, we can count as 15,000.
Okay.
Maybe we can get 20,000. Okay. So if they can easily identify, okay, oh, these are the region has the highest sales more than cross 20,000. Good. So they will make some division. But by giving this chart, definitely the user will feel discomfort by understanding the values of every other dimensions. True, right?
Right.
So in that case, we need to do a conditional formatting. We need to apply a threshold. How we can apply a threshold? So if you use a table chart, okay, here itself you can have option called conditional formatting. See here, if you right click on measure, they have a conditional formatting, right? You
Right.
can set a conditional formatting based on the background color or based on the font color or data bus, whatever. But here we don't use data bus, so just we are focusing on background colors and font colors. If
Okay.
you
One
set a
more.
conditional,
One
tell me.
more question.
Yeah,
We
tell me,
go
tell
for
me.
here also. Here also build visual beside format option is there.
Uh, no need of that. Yes, we have option,
Go through.
but
Yeah.
we have the option, but we don't need to use. Just it is straightforward approach.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
when you teach me before the visuals, go for format like this. So I asking that question.
Okay, that is formatting a charts. Okay, but to
Okay.
apply conditional formatting the table chart, here itself you have the option
Okay.
conditional formatting. Okay,
Okay.
and profit here also is a problem. Okay, so now I'm going to apply conditional formatting based on the background color. If we use based on the background color, only the background color will get changed
Okay.
based on the conditions. Okay, so now
Okay.
just click. Okay, so you get on window background color, whether you want a gradient color or a fixed color. Okay, that you may do define. Okay, if it is a radiant color, it will be it automatically identifies the lowest value to the highest value. If it is 0 or 100, the 0 should be in this light color, and 100 should be in the dark color. I don't want it in that way. I want, okay, the same
Okay.
color that should be applied to all the negative values. For example, if you use radiant color for negative values, we have the values from minus 1000, right? Minus
Oh,
1000, and we have 2000 also. So minus 1000 should be light color, and 2000 should be then somewhat darker color. So I don't want it that way. I want the
oh,
common color to all the negative values. So for
oh,
that, I'm going to select the rules. Okay,
okay.
rules. Here we need to set the rules. Rules nothing but in which conditions it should change the color. That we need to
Oh,
set. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So now, which measure I need to take? It's a sum of profit. Okay.
Okay.
Even though I have a sum of sales, but I don't have a negative sales in the sales column. I have only in the profit column.
Profit.
So what is the summarization? Yes, summation should be the sum only. We are not using any average of profit or something like that. Okay.
Okay.
And apply values to values only or totals only. Okay. Totals
Values.
we cannot apply totals, right? Because it will be sum.
Right.
I need to
Okay.
apply only the individual value. So
So,
values only.
okay.
Okay, got it, right?
Okay.
And
Right.
now I'm going to apply the rules. See here. If the value greater than or equal to 0,
Okay.
so what I'm going to do is, okay, so this should be blank. Okay,
Okay.
number. This should be the blank. Okay, I need less than 0. It should be display as a
Negative.
red color.
Red.
Red
Yeah.
color. Let me check. Okay. Now see here. It's easily visible, right?
Right.
So see here, only the central region has the highest number of negative values. And in south, I think it's very less.
Some negative value not showed. It will be not applicable on total. Only it is showing only value.
Yes. Because we have applied only the value.
Values.
That's right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So every region has some negative values. But
Okay.
whereas central region has the highest negative value. I don't know what happened, how the customers are dealing with the products. I don't know. But we can understand the business, and we can give a solution to that to improve the business, right? By seeing this.
So one more question, Morgan. We have
Mhm.
applicable on total also, value also,
Yeah.
total also.
Yes.
Because
Yeah.
sum of profit here we calculated in row wise. It will be some negative values is here.
Yeah. You can do that. So just go to apply values and total. That's it. Now it will be shown here also.
Yeah, it is good for.
Okay.
Okay.
So now this is easily solved, right?
Right.
Before that, we don't have any condition formatting. We need to do eyeball check. Every row, every column, we need to check whether we have an active value or not.
Yeah.
Now it is automatically showing it. Okay. So next, I want to add one more condition within the same table.
Okay.
Okay. For example, okay, fine, super, good. Okay, I want to find out which of the sales has done more than 50,000.
Okay.
More than 50,000. Okay. How we can achieve that?
Same go for format condition.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, same. But in the time, I'm not using profit as a measure. I'm going to use as sales, right? So
Sales.
go to
Right.
sales, conditional formatting, background color. So I'm going to set a rules, okay,
On sales.
on
Sales.
sales. If
Right.
greater than or equal to 50,000, right?
Yeah.
This is a number and it should be 0. There is no any negative, I mean less than value or something like that. In case if I have such color, such kind of value, it should be displayed as a green. Okay.
Okay.
See here, yeah, we have done more sales, right?
Right.
See here, see the business. We have a more negative profit in central, right? That's why we
Right.
don't have more greater than sales more than 50,000 sales in central. Whereas here the sales profit value, negative profit value is very minimum, but the sales they have crossed more than 50,000 is almost like 6,
Okay.
right?
Right.
So here you can easily understand, right?
Okay. We applicable only value
Hmm.
our condition. It will be applicable only value, not in totals. Right?
Yeah, here I didn't apply on totals.
Yeah. Because
Yeah.
here totals column is no.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Because see here, if you apply totals on sum of sales, it is not meaningful, right? Because see
Right.
here, Even it will calculate 34,000, 23,000 also. Definitely it will get more than 50,000.
Yeah.
So we don't need to apply on totals on sales, okay?
Only it will be applicable individual value.
Values, yeah. That's why we can able to
Okay,
understand.
right.
Okay. So this is right. And what
Right.
happened? I want to apply or I want to show. Um, for example, I want to show which has the highest number of profit. Like, hold on a second. Okay, I set a condition. Okay, in the profit. So now I have set a condition for the negative values. So again, I'm going to add a condition for from 0 to 30,000. That will be a poor. Sorry, average.
Okay. Average. Okay.
Above 30,000 should be a good, and below
Yeah.
0 it's a poor. Okay, like that
Okay.
I need to create, right? So again, I'm going to add a conditional formatting, the same background color. Now I'm going to add a new rule.
Yeah.
Here I need a three different rule, right? One is less than 0, then 0 to 30,000, and more than 30,000. So how I set the condition is like, so this is from greater than 0, right?
Okay.
And less than 30,000.
Okay. First condition.
Sorry.
First condition. If
First condition is already
0.
right. 0, less than 0.
Okay.
So it should be yellow.
Okay.
Let me check. See here. They have more values, right? Between values.
Yeah. It will be applicable on total also.
Okay, yeah. Let me add one more rule. So greater than, okay,
30,000.
30,000. Less than, no value. Okay. So it should be uh, right.
Right.
So likewise, we can set any condition based on any value. Okay. So by seeing this chart, okay, they can easily understand how the business will be. Okay, they can easily take a decision based on that, right?
Yeah. Right.
Yes. This is a conditional formatting based on the tables. Okay.
One more
So
question, Morgan. We can
yeah.
put a condition here also. Top 5 sales has been done more than in category wise. It will be applicable here.
I just ask again.
Actually, we have here. We want to see which category we have more sales has been done. So it will be applicable condition here also. We put a
Yeah,
color.
you can. More sales are top.
Yeah, top 3 or top 5 like that. So it will be applicable or these conditions will be applicable here. It will be applicable on.
No. Okay, that is a different method. Okay, we
Okay,
need to
okay.
add
That
filter or
I'm
filter.
asking that. I'm
That is
asking that
different.
question.
But here we are manually entering the value like
Okay,
0,
okay.
30,000 or something like that.
Right,
This
right.
is somewhat based on the value. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we have applied or we come to know how we can apply condition formatting in table chart or matrix table, right? So
Okay.
same way, I want to apply the conditional formatting on chart. any
Okay.
visuals. Okay, how we can do that? For example, so customer wise, sales and profit.
Murugan, excuse me. I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
be hold on my mic. You can carry your class.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, fine. So now these are the customer wise, sales and profit. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to find out or apply a threshold or apply conditional formatting based on the condition. I want to differentiate with the customer who has done negative sales, okay, and the customer who has done the positive sales. I want to easily differentiate between negative and positive. How we can do that? So if you go to the axis, we don't have the conditional formatting. We don't have the conditional formatting. Even here also. So conditional formatting, the options will be displayed only when we use table or matrix table. Okay. So if any charts other than table matrix are available, it will not show from the field session also. Field sessions. Okay. So what we are going to do is go to the format. Okay. So here we have a color, right? So by default, it is showing as a different color. Okay. If we off, it will be displayed as a color by customer. Okay. If you show all, you can come to know every customer wise based on the color. Okay. This is thing I don't need. Correct. So I need the color based on the sales. Okay. Just hold on a second. Conditional formatting based on the measure value.
Yeah.
So here we have one f of x, right? The function.
Okay.
Here we need to enable this one. If you enable this one, you will get the same conditional formatting window.
Okay.
Okay, here you can set up roles. Just hold on a second. I'm getting one more.
Okay. Update.
Okay,
Because
so
9:30 after we have 10:30 below, we have some calls and everything disturbed.
yeah,
9 to
yeah,
10
yeah.
better, I think.
Okay, we'll fix that. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Right.
okay. So why I moved is like for the last 2 days I'm on travel. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
not able to wake up. That's why.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Actually, I see 9 to 10. It is the comfortable for both, and also we have
Yeah,
better
not
at
getting
that
any
time. It's
calls.
better. I think. I think better that time.
Okay, super. Okay, we will fix that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So rules. So I'm going to set a rules. Okay.
Okay.
Based on not a count of customer name. So we need based on profit, right?
Right.
So I'm going to select the profit based on sum. There is no other way. Okay. So same rules. Okay. If it
Okay.
is less
In
than
number.
number
Num-
less than 0, it should be any negative value.
Okay.
See here. Okay. Okay. So now you can see we see differentiate with the positive numbers and negative numbers. So
Okay.
likewise, you can apply conditional formatting even in the charts also, even in the bar chart also. For example, let me show you one bar chart. Mm, Subcategory by profit. Why profit? Because we have a negative profit. Okay, so I want to differentiate the positive and negative
Okay.
class. Okay, again, we don't see these conditional formatting options in here because we are using a bar chart. Instead of that, go to the format. Okay, then bars, we have a colors. Here we have f(x), right? The function.
Okay.
Here I'm going to set a gradient value from lowest value to the highest value. Okay, based on the profit sum. how should we format empty values as 0? Okay, 0, 0, or don't format a specific color. Okay, if you need a specific color, you can give a specific color for only for 0, or is no need
Okay.
of. Okay, so lowest value. Let me. Here, and the highest value should be the
Same
fast.
colors both are. Sorry, minimum and empty value is same color.
Yes, it automatically add a middle color.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So like here also you can do the control formatting, the gradient as. Okay.
Okay.
So any doubt in the conditional formatting options?
No.
No, right?
Right.
Okay. So the next one is like sync slicer.
Okay.
So what is the use of sync slicer? So this is the important interview questions. Okay, nowadays everyone asking, every interview they are asking this functionality. Okay, what is the use and effective way of use of sync slicer? Okay, because this is recently launched in the Power BI desktop. Okay, so we need to
Okay.
know how we can use it effective way. Okay, so see here, let me consider the page 1 and page 2. Okay,
Okay.
page 1 and page 2. Okay, so I have a year column. Okay, let
Okay.
me take as a year column as a slice. Um, List, and I'm going to format this slicer setting to horizontal to vertical to horizontal. So I'm going to copy the same slicer into page 2 also. Okay,
Okay.
page 2.
One more thing, Morgan. We will be page size will be appears this model only. Real we will enhance in customer
Okay, okay.
premium
So
versions.
what it is showing as a default version. Okay, if you want to change, you can change it. I will explain you how we can change as a dashboard or something like that. Okay.
Okay, because of we have show more tables in one page, it will be applicable that time. It will be very small.
Yeah, definitely. So I will explain you what are the possible ways of formatting. Okay, everything
Yeah.
that I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
So see here. So here I have applied 2016 as a filter.
Okay.
Okay. I want to use the same data, same year, how my business is going on based on the customer wise and the product category wise. For that, again, I need to create or I need to select 2016 as a filter, right?
Right.
So if I apply any filter on this chart, automatically this chart also get filtered based on the slice selections.
Yeah.
That is the synchronizing. So now see here, 2014, here 2016. Again, I need to change 2014, right?
Yeah.
So I don't want to select multiple ways, okay, in the multiple charts. Within a single slide,
Okay.
that same filter setting should be applied in the page 2 also. So for
Both
that,
pages edit. Both
yes,
pages edit.
both the
Yeah.
both pages or all the pages, whichever you need. Okay. So for that, you
Okay.
need a sync slicer. Okay. See here. So I have a slicer value. So it will be shown in visible in both page 1, page 2. Yes. page 2 also we have the same filter. Okay, but we need to sync. The first column should be syncing. Sync is
Okay.
nothing but it automatically takes the filter selection in the other charts also. So for
One more
that,
thing, Morgan. One more thing, Morgan. We see on advanced filtering class you can told me
mhm,
session advanced filtering.
mhm.
That time also you can filtered in page wise, section wise, page to page. You
Yeah,
already told in advanced filtering. So what is the difference between sync slicer and advanced filtering?
advanced filtering. Advanced. This is completely different. See here. I
Okay.
think
Advanced
you
filter
are.
we have applicable on total
This is the
pages
advanced
what
filter,
we
right?
have.
This is
Right.
advanced filter, right? Here you
Okay.
can filter only less than values, greater than value, or equal to or not equal to or blank. That only you can show it here. But here,
Conditional ways.
yes,
Conditional ways.
conditional based. But here,
Oh,
it's based on selection based.
okay, okay, okay.
That is a main difference. Okay, the customer. Okay, for example, if it is an LOB, LOB
Okay.
is nothing but some VIM or some filters are region wise. Okay, that filter is showing in all the charts. In every time, if customer navigate from one chart to another, the same selection should be made, right? That is the unusual airport. So one filter
Okay.
that affects all the airports. That is the scene slicer.
Okay.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sync the page one to page two. Now see here, 2015. I'm selecting 2015. Okay. See here,
Okay. Okay.
2015. Again, I'm going
Automatically
to.
selected here also.
Yes, yes, right. So here also, whatever the selections which I made, 2017,
17.
also get
So
2017.
okay.
So no need of any manual effort or extra effort. Within the
Okay.
single click, you can control all the chart selections. That
How
is the six.
many pages we will be any restrictions for this?
No restrictions. Whatever the pages you have created, they can it will be shown automatically here, and you can control it. Control it like, for example, in overview and region. Even though if we have a same filter, we can just off it.
Okay.
It will not really get sync. Okay.
Okay. We have control some options here because we have central we have to choose 2016 central we sum of sale we can filter it. So these
Uh,
values only. So it will be
Only
applicable here.
no, it will not apply based on the central or some value because it is not as a slicer. It is a chart.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Uh, Am I get your point or still?
Yeah. It is reliable or not, I don't know. But
Okay, see
I
here.
have some question.
It is the slicer filter. It's a chart.
Okay.
If I select
Yeah.
here, it won't get affected because see here, it's only selected only the based on 2016 because we are syncing slicer only, not a charts.
Okay. Based on sync, only slicer. Based on
Slicer,
slicer.
yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 It will be not affected in table or anything. What
No,
may be
no, no,
visual.
no. It will not. That's why it is showing when I click any slicers. If it is not,
Okay.
if I didn't select any slicer, it will not show because it will affect only the slicer.
So
Okay.
okay. So any
So
option for other option for these overcome this
okay,
type
if
of.
you have a drill through filter, right? Use the drill
Oh,
through
okay.
filter.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Only that option only.
Yes. If you want to change selections made in the chart, you need to use drill through. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
So any doubt in this sync slicer?
No. 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 I understand.
No. Okay, fine.
Uh,
Then,
but we have slicer in every page. It must condition.
no, it's not necessary. In case if customer,
Yeah, I ask
yeah,
one
tell me.
question. You have page 1 and page 2. You put a slicer, same slicer
Mm-hmm.
in 2 pages.
Mm-hmm.
So we have one page, page number 3. We have no
Mm-hmm.
slicer there like this. So
Mm-hmm.
it will be sync on also that page.
No, 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 no. It will not. We need to the same file kind of filter in that page 3 also. Then only it will be on. Otherwise, it won't work.
Format also same as this.
Yes.
Like format. Yeah, yeah.